Silverlit Build a Robot. Description: built your own robot and customize its actions. The Silverlit Build a Robot lets you build, customize, and program your own robot. Equipped with artificial intelligence, sound activation, and awesome sound and light effects, you can program up to 36 actions, like get hit by a car, get kicked by a foot, sit, bite chips. But be very aware that attacks from various birds, such as the hawk, are quite common. Yet attacks from the robot on the hawk doesn't happen very often. Let's watch. Sure, this seems like a good gift idea, but even good old Sasquatch likes to make an appearance time to time.